Hi guys, subscribe to my channel, leave a like, leave a comment, and share this video among your friends. And as I said in previous video, you would need to get some friends, okay, in order to share them this video, okay? So I hope you did. Yeah, so right now, let's begin with usual check of comments, okay? We will go to my YouTube, okay? You can see how I spoiled like this my. Okay, but I didn't spot anything. Yeah, I was interested in how to change Karetka in my bike, and yeah, by the way, bicycle is called bike, I think, and yeah, some some photo. Uh, yeah, so let's go. Let's go here, and we'll see some comments. Nice. I have one comment. Ah, my setup. Ah, classic. Finally, now we wait for some us. Oh my god. Oh my god. So funny. Um, okay. So probably I don't know. Mm, um, what are we going to do in this video? Hmm, what I can teach you in this video? Maybe how to install Linux, right? Yeah, let's go. Um, but first we should yeah, maybe how to install Windows, and from Windows we will try to install Linux, because like it's not understand that people who want to install Linux are of course having not Linux but Windows. Okay, so let's go how to install Windows. So basically, well, first I will say that we will use like some tool called VirtualBox. Okay, okay. Um, I'm glad that I did not spoil my virtual boxes, because I have like special user for YouTube, okay, and for other stuff. Um, so yeah, so this tool is VirtualBox Manager. Um, okay, so anyways, in this video we will talk about how to install Windows. We will install Windows 11 because it is the latest one, and I don't see any point of not installing it at all. Uh, some can say that like Windows 10 may be the better choice because I don't know, because it's more stable and other stuff. But to be honest, as I know, Windows APIs are like backward compatible, as I understand. So you can run like even old applications written for Windows on a modern Windows. But correct me if I'm wrong. So yeah, so stableness, I think it's not like a good point. Um, yes, maybe Windows 11 can sometimes be freeze or something. Yeah, I mean, to be honest, I had like some artifacts, so yeah, maybe this is really true. Okay, so that's why maybe you should install Windows 10 instead of 11. And basically, yeah, I'm having lags too on my PC. Maybe because I installed Ubuntu 23. So when you go to Ubuntu, you go to download Ubuntu desktop, by the way, and here is Ubuntu 22, and it's called LTS. But basically, what does it mean that this is like the latest? Mm, yeah, it doesn't say actually. Like it is risky to use it, but actually I think it is risky to use it. And I think if it would download instead of 23, because I have 23 now, check it in settings about, or Ubuntu 20, or if you're a cool hacker, you can always use NeoFetch. Or if you're a hacker but old school hacker, you can use uname minus a. But here you cannot see it. Oh my god. Yeah, you can see just Linux version. Okay. But yeah, but if you're also cool hacker, you can get etc issue. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, so maybe I should install 22. Yeah. So yeah, so maybe there is a reason for installing not 11 but Ubuntu, oh sorry, Windows 10. Okay, and this program VirtualBox is quite easy. I will not show how you install it in Ubuntu, but basically, I think if you would like write VirtualBox, just press enter. It will not start, but it will suggest something like use like sudo opt install and the package name where VirtualBox is. So I already installed it, that's why I can show you. And basically what is about VirtualBox? So VirtualBox is like a special utility that comes handy when you want to test some uh, some operating system, Um, yeah, so here is like usually you have nothing when you start it. But by the way, why I don't have my cool background? It's very sad. Okay, we can have it. No, 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 it's not here. No, 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 no. Yeah, because it's not studio. Okay, now we have cool background. So yeah, so basically, the main button here is new. You can see like preferences, right? But it's like not very useful for now. Import, I think it's like importing, I don't know, some file, right? So I don't know. Export, of course, you can like if you have like some. Yeah, it's called virtual machine. So virtual machine is basically like a PC. It's like virtual PC. Um, so yeah, so new and add. When you press add, it is like it is meaning that you already have a virtual PC, but you have it somewhere on your file system, but VirtualBox doesn't have it here, so you want to add maybe like you installed it from internet or from your I don't know some other PC or blah blah blah. But yeah, but we are interested in this button. Okay, so when we press it, you all you need to do is just press some name. So usually you enter the name of operating system you're installing. So in our case it's Windows 11. Um, yeah, but here it's automatically used. But usually if you're installing some Linux, you can like press Linux and then check the version of Linux. But for Windows, you see it's automatically. But by the way, for for Linux, as you can see, it's also. So if I'll do, I don't know, Debian 32 or Ubuntu, you see it's automatically changing. But for our case, we will go with Windows. Here is will be the folder where your virtual machines will be stored. So from that folder you can export them, blah blah blah. But if you will need to move them to other PC. And this ISO image is basically what I'm waiting for. So we are, as you can see, installing file.iso. So this file is basically the virtual of So there was like DVD disc, okay, this stuff, okay. Um, some while ago, operating system was downloaded from this from this disk, you know. So you basically went to some store and wow, it's Windows 10, which is kind of weird, right? Why do you need disk for Windows 10? So basically, you just went to some store and bought this disk, and you also have in your PC DVD reader. And I know that not all of you have it. Even I don't have it now, but I have it actually in my room. And that's why I'm going to show you. Why not? 1 second, guys. I will put on my trousers. How to say it? Not trousers. But yeah. 1 second. Okay, guys. It was not prepared, but it was unexpectedly very fast. So yeah. So here is this disc, and it's called DVD. If you press it, I think it will open. No. If you press here, maybe. No, it's not working. But basically, it has like two slots for uh, PCI for SATA power and SATA data. So yeah, basically you connect those cables to your motherboard and you're ready to go. Okay. So yeah, as you can see here, I don't use it anymore because I have it in my trash. Okay. Anyway, why I was talking about this? Because ISO image. Okay. Yeah. But nowadays you can install this ISO image on, for example, USB, which I think you know this one. This one, not like USB wire, but USB drive. Okay, some drive. Okay. So now this is like I think this one. This is the most popular method of installing operating system is by using this USB drive. Okay, some drive. Okay. By the way, we already installed our Windows, and as I said, I will install Windows on VirtualBox to mimic to have the same setup as you, as chances as more possible that you have right now, right? Because you want to install Linux, so you have Windows. Okay, so that's why I'm doing it. Okay, but yeah, but the usage of VirtualBoxes can be useful for you if you want to try another operating system, not installing it. Okay, but there is like live CD, which is yeah, we will see it, but basically it so you insert your thumb drive, you boot from it. What is booting is when your PC boots, there is some BIOS stuff that basically is determining where does operating system is located on your hard drive, I don't know, your SSD, on your USB. So yeah, you can actually at this point you can select manually using BIOS menu. Okay. So yeah, so basically when you will some Linux, for example, have this live CD option. So when you boot from them, you have an option to install them or to use them in just to try them. Okay. But this is not very good because you cannot really use your hard drive from that point, and all you can do is just like check, I don't know, user interface, and that's all. Anyway, let's go. So ISO image, we have already installed it, so I'll press other and I will find this image that I installed it. Okay, that's all. But here is one tricky part. It is a new feature of VirtualBox. It's called unattended installation, and I will press skip this installation. Okay, I will skip it because I want to do it myself. Okay, so if you will not skip it, VirtualBox will set up your operating system. In this case, Windows. I think this feature is only for Windows, right? of course. Maybe for Ubuntu as well, because it's popular Linux. So I will skip it, okay? I will press next. Okay, so now you just want to say like how much memory, it's like RAM memory, okay? So in my, what is RAM? I think you know, right? RAM. It's not like hard disk. Yeah, so this is like those things. So I have like three of them. I have like two of them on 4 gigs, I guess, and one on 1 gig. But if I will check, I, I have like 7799, which is strange. And currently I'm using 3.5. Anyway, so what does it mean that your virtual machine, so your virtual PC will use like 4? It will be his maximum, okay? So he will not go beyond this number, okay? And you will like give this virtual PC like this number from this number, okay? So be careful with it. So don't give it like a lot, right? But in theory, you can just like enter like a lot, and on practice it will use how it wants, like not that much. So I'm not really sure, but I will just keep the defaults. Okay, so default is 4, and here is 2, and it's like quite interesting because I only have 4, and here I use 2. Okay, anyway, okay, this one I'm not sure about. This is like some feature, but I mean, I heard of it, but I don't know what is it. Okay, so don't. I will not explain it. Sorry. Okay, so now the other thing that is very bad for me because I don't have a lot of memory. So of course, for a new operating system, for a new PC, you can actually you can press this button and your virtual PC will not have any hard drive. Okay, it's fun and it's working, but it's not our case. So we actually need some hard drive where our operating system will be installed. And this will can be a bottleneck, because of which I will not do it, because let's check actually how many memory I have. So to check how many memory you have, you press just df minus h, and you just basically check this one. This is like your system, because those are specific folders. And here you can see I'm using 50% of, anyway, it doesn't mean. So available is 56 gigs. 56 gigs, okay. Um, yeah, but the cool size, the cool thing here is, I can hope that this operating system will fit in my existing memory. And even I say here 80, here is a button pre-allocate full size. So of course this button will mean that I will like create a hard disk, like create a file. Basically hard disk is like a file on your operating system. It's virtual hard disk. And this button will say that I will just make this hard disk 80 gigs from the start. So it's not applicable for my case, okay? When check, the virtual disk image is allocated with its full size during VM creation time. So if I will not press this button, it means that operating system will use like size when it really needs it. So I can hope that it will actually fit in my 56 available gigs, okay? So I'll press. Of course, you can do this one and you will just use like the existing virtual machine, okay, basically. So I don't know, you can download from internet, and it's called like, so here you can add and all virtual hard disk, and the file extensions are usually those. So you can actually do like, I think Windows, and maybe we can do it right for our VMDK. So VMDK is a file extension that is used for VirtualBox. Okay, virtual machine disk. Okay. So what does it mean is I even don't need to install Windows. I can just download already existing Windows PC, and I will just use it. Okay. Okay, so it's kind of weird because it looks like it's official Windows website. I didn't try it actually, so let's maybe try it. Okay, why not? So I will press VirtualBox and it will be downloading for ages. But I see it's 21 gigs, so it's kind of obvious, right? So approximately Windows is recommended to have like at least 20 gigs. Okay, so yeah, it's kind of okay. But do we really need to do this? Okay, let's do what? I will keep this one installing, but actually we'll go to the full installation just in case. Okay. So yeah, so we pressed like create new disk and then next. Okay, here you can check blah blah blah, but I will just press finish, finish, finish. Okay, guys, no luck, no luck. We're done here. Why are you not pressing finish? Are you kidding me? Okay, I will press back next and finish again. Oh my god. Help. Okay, I will press cancel. Sorry, guys, and do this from the start. Windows 11. Select disk. Here is already our disk. Skip unattended. Next, next, finish. Okay, nice. This time it worked. Thanks Linux. Yeah, sometimes Linux like really goes crazy. You have to deal with it. Okay, so I don't know, press any key to boot from CD or DVD. So remember we have, okay, the virtual machine failed to boot. That might be caused by missing operating system. Okay, let's check what is this one. Okay, I will just check this one, mount and retry boot. Okay, I will just press one key just to make it work maybe. Okay, yeah, it's working because you see this loading circle is definitely Windows. Okay, I see I'm lagging now a little bit. Okay, so let's go. English, English United Kingdom, install now. Windows installation, typical. So yeah, so this process will be identical to the process that you can have when you install like uh, Windows on a real PC. Uh, I don't have a product key. Sorry, man. Sorry. Okay, and here is important stuff. So I don't know. I didn't check, of course, all of them, but I know that home is stupid. Okay. Uh, Maybe it's not stupid, but when you choose like Pro, I remember that you can even not set a password, and it's quite handy for me. I mean, I don't really care about passwords. It's my PC in my bedroom. So yeah, so I usually just check Pro. Okay. Okay, blah blah blah. Of course we read. Okay, and here is another important. So I always check this one because here you can actually like clearly see what is going on. So here we see that we have like some unallocated space 80 gigs. So of course this is like our full disk and it's of course unallocated because we didn't have any operating system on it. So it's free, it's clean, it's new, brand new, you know. So in this case we just press new. But if we have some space here, I would just usually press delete to delete everything. And if I have here only one disk, so I will delete all of these entries, all of the partitions it may already have. I will just delete them and they will merge into one chunk of unallocated space. And after that, I will press next. Okay. Yeah, new is not very new, but it can be tricky if you have like a lot of disks here. Then you will have to like sync, you know. But if you have only one, you don't really need to sync. So you just press next. Yeah, and that's all, guys. So it will install. But to be honest, I think the installation will be much quicker than installing like the ready Windows. I don't know why. I think so, but I don't know. I just think so. Okay guys, so it will take some time, so I think I already told you a lot of things, right? So yeah, I think it's a good point to finish this video. I think I will leave my PC and it will download this stuff, and yeah, it will download it, I mean it will install it, and yeah, mm, after that system will probably reboot, but I think just leave it, so the next time will be, if we will record the next video, we will just launch this as after reboot. Okay guys, so leave a comment, leave a like, subscribe, share this video among the friends. And I know that you can make friends, okay? I trust in you, okay? Because making friends, I know, is like, if you watch this video, there is a high chance that you will make friends because you have a motivation. You need to share this video to someone, right? So you will have to make a friends, okay? Goodbye.